Welcome to Balan Basic Science. In this video, we are going to see how to draw a bar diagram using Origin Pro 8.5. Here your data is there. See, this is the average value that is obtained from the OD value after calculation, and this is the standard deviation. So now take this data to draw the diagram. You can draw the bar diagram using Excel also, but nowadays the publishers asking the diagram from Origin Pro or from GraphPad. That is only preferred by the editors and the reviewers. So click the Origin Pro 8.5. So this is the software. So here only you could give the input. So before that, according to the software format, you change the data. I mean, you arrange the data. So here I arranged the data likewise. First one is the namings, second one is the average, and third one is the standard deviation. So how you can arrange? For example, this is the average value. Just copy and right click, paste special, and transpose and values. Click the values and transpose, press OK. So it will arrange like that. So likewise you need to arrange all the data. Now the data is completed. Copy the data and paste in the Origin Pro software from the line number 1. Here the 1. There only you need to paste. So paste. Now the data is successfully pasted to the software in software format. Now see here A, B and C is there. A is the naming, B is the average value, C is the standard deviation error value. So that you set as error value. So now click that C and right click, set as Y error. So click that button. Now you set the error value. Now it is completed. Now you need to select all the values and namings and press the button below. Here you can see the bar chart. You can press any button that you want, your format, your wish. But I am going to press the button first one, column. Now it is completed. See, this is the diagram from your data. This is how we need to draw using this Origin Pro software. So you can move this to full space. So first in the corner of this box, double click on pop-up will open. Here the width is 11. You increase the size. For example, I put 16 and press apply and OK. Then it will move into full screen. So now you can press the values and it automatically selected all. You can press bold. You can bold the font. Here also you can bold. You can increase the size, and here you can double click, it will come like that, and you delete that things and you can write your own things. That is, for example, here it is percentage of cell viability. So likewise you can give the namings. If the naming is not needed, you can just press the delete button, it will goes. Or else you can change the name, like for example your drug. Here I am writing like Citral, and that also you can bold and you can increase the size, or else you can cover all these things. So you can move, you can move this like that. So positive control also you can change. But after this you can't make changes like control, positive control. If you want to change that namings, you need to go to the data box, and then here only you need to change, and here after that you come to here and press in the corner double button and change the width values, and then you refresh and then you can see the changes. So likewise you can change the color of the bar. For example, click. So here color is red. So individual color you can change to black. Click apply. Then it will change it into your. It depends on your wish. You can change any color. So now I put a green color. Okay. Now you can change the outline. see, this is the solid outline of the bar. That is, you can increase the size. For example, I put 2, then only it will very contrast. See, the outline will be now bold. You can increase the boldness of the standard deviation error symbol also. So double click the line width, you can increase into 3. So press apply. See, it is now bold. For example, star symbol, if you want to insert mint, click the T and then press here and shift star. Like a star symbol also you can insert like this. So like this only you can do this. You need to change means, for example, "24 hours." So like this you can change this outline. If you don't want, then right click, press, go to the properties, background black line or none. If you given none means there is no outline will come. And then you can reduce the size of the bar also. Press spacing, go to the spacing. If you increase the space, then it will be very lean bar will happen. See, lean bar. So likewise, if you increase the size, the bar size will reduce. So labels, spacing. See, and now you can use the lines. For example, you can close the graph into the box. So for that, press that line symbol and press shift. So you can get the sharp line. So the line will form, and the remaining also you can draw using this. So likewise, you can closed form of diagram also you can draw with this software. You can move this into this box. Okay, and the width of this line also you can increase to here also it will be 2. Font style also you can change. Lot of font is there. Times New Roman, anything you can change depending on your wish. Okay, and finally, how to save this diagram is go to file and export graphs, open dialog box, and then in the format of TIFF, that is better one. So save in the format of TIFF, export file name and path. Choose the path. I choose desktop. Okay, after that resolution should be 300, then only it will very clear, and press OK. Okay, you wait for some few minutes. So now the graph is exported successfully. So you can check in desktop, you can find the graphs. See, now your graph is ready. Even you zoom, the clarity is not reduced. High clarity image you can get using this software, and you can use this software, use this image for further purpose. So open the image, open with this software, Microsoft Office. So in this software you can crop the image. So the unnecessary parts you can remove. So press OK. So now it is removed. You can save, and then you can use for remaining purpose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Bal and Basic Science. Thank you.